Hey guys, well I lied. Remember in that shorts video I said it was the last backpacking trip of 2021? I lied. Here we are again. I'm addicted, what can I say? So we're at Middlebrun right now. We hiked in from the trailhead here to Middlebrun and we're going to continue on camp at Finlay Bay. So come along. Rosie. I had to ditch the jacket. Starting to feel warm, so I want to get it off before I start sweating. Even if it's cool out, if you have too many layers on, you'll sweat. And you don't want to get sweaty when it's cold. But right now it's around 6 degrees, not too bad. It's supposed to get up to 10 in the afternoon, 8 in the evening, and 4 overnight. So I was looking at the weather. Couldn't pass it up. I gotta do it. Come out here again. You know, I said the last time it's gonna be the last one, but you know, there's gonna be more. I'm sure there's gonna be more. I definitely do want to do at least one winter hike. You know, probably in December. I don't want to do it in January, February though. Here in Northern Ontario, January and February, get down to minus 40 degrees Celsius. We're still hiking along the beach here at Middlebrun, and we'll get back up onto the trail over to Finlay. Here a week ago and camping at Finlay Bay, and in the morning when we left I had lots of leftover firewood all processed, ready to go. So hopefully that wood is still there, because that last time we were out here 2 weeks before that we were out there and I had about 5 logs left over when we hiked out, and those same 5 logs are still there. We came back 2 weeks later, so hopefully I got all that firewood left over. There was lots. Just got to camp. Look at that. There's my firewood from last time. So now, yeah, I got a bunch of gear hanging there. Store it there for now. My headlamp, Xena's night light. It's like a collar light that goes around her neck. And now I'm about to get my bear hang kit, get it set up for the food bag. That's a bear hang kit for hanging food, not bears. You don't want to hang bears out in the forest, okay? Don't hang bears. It's not good. But yeah, I'm gonna go get this set up, ready for later, so it's all ready to go at night, and I just have to clip my food bag onto it and hoist it up. But yeah, the food bag consists of this bag, and inside the bag is just my paracord with carabiner on the end, and rock in the bag, and then clip it on the carabiner, throw that over a limb, and then get rid of the rock, and then take the bag off, and hook on the food bag onto it, and hoist it up for the night. But yeah, just get that set up now so it's ready to go later. And, so when I'm done with the food bag for the night, I'm just gonna go hook it on, pull it up. That's it. So that's all set up for later. Clip on my food bag on there, hoist it up, tie it to another tree, tie it off to a tree. It's not the most ideal. It's not quite high enough, and barely wanted to get at it. It's good. But it's November 9th. I think most bears are hibernating now. I like to hang it anyways to keep rodents out of it and stuff. At least keep it, up off the ground so no other wildlife can get at it. Yeah, that's Daddy's firewood. And just helping. She just broke off a nice big chunk there and just walked over there with it in her mouth, and I'm gonna go chew on this piece. She just loves to curl up in that spot. It's the third time out here. First time we came out here, she kind of dug her little nest there. That's her spot. Sometimes she lays in other spots, a little bit here and there, but this is the spot she usually spends the most time in. I think she heard something. Here she goes, she's doing her nod off thing. I just love it when she does this. And it's like she tries so hard to stay awake. It's only 4:30. Sun's already going down pretty fast. Red sky at night, sailor's delight. It'll be a nice morning tomorrow. Well, Xena's got her night howl collar light on. Can't believe how dark it gets so early. And I got my headlamp on. The moon's looking really nice now. You can really see it now. Good night, boys and girls. See you in the morning. Good night, Xena. Good night. All hunkered down in the tent. All right, have a good night. We'll see you in the morning. got camp all packed up. It is now 8:30 a.m. and we are on our way out. And we're hiking up the trail and go meet Kevin at the trailhead, who's gonna pick us up. This was a great overnighter. Wasn't too cold. A little cold this morning. I was feeling it, but glad I had all that firewood and kindling and birch bark and everything ready for the morning, because as soon as I woke up, got that fire going instantly. So helped keep me warm. Okay, so thanks for coming along, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Please give a thumbs up too. All right, see you next time. Bye.